Alright, be honest for a second. When was the last time you actually focused for more than 10 minutes straight? Because if you're like most of us, here's how it goes. You open your book, you read one paragraph, and boom, your brain suddenly remembers the most random things. Did I reply that message? Maybe I should clean my desk. Let me quickly check that one notification. And 10 minutes later, you're on a completely different planet. I've been there. Honestly, I still catch myself doing it. Today, I want to break down why you can't focus, and more importantly, what you can do today to fix it. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. But let me start with a quick story. Last month, I sat down to study for just 1 hour. 1 hour. I even made tea. I was feeling productive. And then 7 minutes in, I picked up my phone because I felt like I forgot something. Guess how long that quick check lasted? 43 minutes. 43 minutes of scrolling reels and checking random things I didn't even care about. And the crazy part? I didn't even realize it. It was automatic. So if you can't focus for more than 10 minutes, trust me, it's not because you're lazy or broken. Something deeper is going on. So what is the cause? Your brain is addicted to microdopamine. We live in the era of 5-second dopamine hits. Short videos, notifications, fast entertainment. Your brain gets used to instant rewards. So when you try to focus on something slower, like reading, writing, studying, solving math, your brain panics. It thinks, wait, this is too slow. Give me something easier. That's why you lose focus. Your brain isn't distracted, it's overstimulated. But here's the good news. You can reverse this way faster than you think. So how do you fix it? The 10-minute warm-up rule. When you sit down to work, don't expect yourself to be laser focused from the first second. Your brain is literally switching gears. So here's the trick. Tell yourself, I only need to be focused for 10 minutes. After that, I can take a short break. Not a 30-minute break. Not a YouTube rabbit hole. Just 1 minute. Stand up. Breathe. Reset. What happens is this. Your brain gets used to small bursts of focus again. And those 10 minutes grow into 20, then 30, then an hour. The second reason is, you're multitasking without realizing it. Let me call you out gently. You might think you're focusing, but your brain is juggling 10 background processes. Your phone is next to you. Your laptop has 3 open tabs. Spotify is playing. You're replying messages in your head. And you're thinking about the assignment due tomorrow. That's not focus. That's chaos. But I'll show you a trick that cuts that chaos in half, instantly. So how do you fix it? The single task environment. Before you start, clean the battlefield. Step 1. Put the phone in another room or behind you, facing down. Step 2. Close every tab except the one you need. Step 3. Put on one thing only, either calm music or silence. Here's why this works. Focus isn't about willpower. It's about environment. When your environment is simple, your brain becomes simple. And simple is powerful. So here is the third reason. You're tired, not unmotivated. This one hurts, because most students don't even realize it. You're not losing focus because you're undisciplined. You're losing focus because your brain is exhausted. Think about your week. School stress. Assignments attacking you from every angle. Trying to stay consistent with your goals. Trying to be the version of yourself you want to be. Your brain is tired. And tired brains can't focus, even if they want to. But there's one habit that fixes this almost immediately. Now this is how you fix it. Micro rest. You don't need a 2-hour nap. You don't need a full self-care day. You just need micro rest. Every 25 to 40 minutes, stop for 60 seconds. Close your eyes. Slow down your breathing. Let your brain reset. This alone increases focus more than coffee, more than motivational videos, more than forcing yourself to push harder. The fourth reason is, you're missing the why. This is something schools don't teach. If your brain doesn't understand why something matters, it won't give you focus. Think about it. Why is it easier to binge a show than do homework? Because one releases dopamine instantly, and the other feels meaningless. But meaning is something you can create, fast. This is how you fix it, the one-sentence purpose. Before you start, ask, what do I want to get out of the next 30 minutes? Examples. I want to finish this chapter so I don't stress tomorrow. I want to understand this topic so I can feel confident in class. I want to study now so I can relax later. That one sentence switches on your brain like a light. Reason number 5, you're jumping into tasks too fast. Here's a secret. Most of us don't have a focus problem. We have a transition problem. You go from scrolling straight into studying, or from talking straight into homework. Your brain needs a buffer. Now this is how you fix it. The 2-minute transition ritual. Before you start working, do a small ritual that signals your brain to switch modes. Lightly stretch, clean your desk, drink water, play the same focus playlist, or write down 3 mini tasks. This ritual builds a habit loop. Ritual brain calms, focus mode activated. Alright, quick recap before we wrap. Your brain is addicted to microdopamine, fix it with 10-minute warm-ups. You're multitasking without noticing, fix it by simplifying your environment. You're mentally tired, fix it with micro-rest. You lack purpose, fix it with a 1-sentence goal. You skip transitions, fix it with a 2-minute ritual. You're not broken. Your focus isn't gone forever. You just need to retrain your brain, gently, consistently, and with patience. Try one of these tonight. Not all 5, just one. Comment which one you're starting with, and tell me how it goes by tomorrow. We're leveling up together, slowly, realistically, and in a way your future self will thank you for. Let's build that focus again. You got this.